In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix Battlefield 6 is not launching or won't launch on a PC for the NVIDIA app users. So I'll demonstrate you how we can do it. So first of all, if you don't find what you need to do is just go over here, search for the NVIDIA app. Now click on the NVIDIA app. So if you find the NVIDIA app, once you get into the NVIDIA app, what you need to do is you'll be in the library, you'll be having Battlefield 6. So just click on the settings. That is going to take you to this. Now once you get into this, you can go to over here, you can select the Battlefield 6 over here like this, or you can directly, once you get into the Battlefield 6, you'll be having this option. Go to the smooth motion. If it is turn it on, you have to turn this off. That is what you have to do. And similarly, go to the global setting and go to the smooth motion. If it is also turn it on, you have to turn this off. So make sure only one thing, you have to turn off the smooth motion on both the program setting and the global setting. That is what you have to do. Turn off this, then you can close it and you have to check and go back and try launch the game, and that is what you have to do. And I hope this kick very helpful. That's it. Bye bye.